Okay, I've got an example Modbus node here. So I have a 750/362 Modbus TCP coupler and a couple I/O cards. This card here is going to be an up-down counter, so it's a 750/638 two-input up-down counter. The way I have it wired up is to go to the switch here, so each time I turn on the switch, I'll see a positive rising edge on this card, and it'll increment a value up. The next card I have is a 750/1500 card. I'm using this with a ribbon cable that comes down to a set of 16 relays. So it's just an easy way to wire a set of 16 outputs to a set of relays with these snap-on interface modules. So what I want to do is monitor the process image of this card. So I'll go to WAGO IO check 3 here, and once I've got the node loaded in, I can just look at this process data by right-clicking on the module. So that's the process data for the counter card, and here's the process data for the digital output. So what I'll do here is I can see that that counter value is at 2. When I turn on that switch and it sees a rising edge, that value will increment up. So it went from 2 to 3, switch goes off, switch comes on again, and it goes to 4. With the digital output card, I can actually turn on some of these outputs here as well. So as I turn on that first output, you can see the LEDs coming on the card, as well as those relay modules, depending on which output I turn on. So this is just an easy way to measure pulses on an input, as well as set outputs through a ribbon cable and a set of relays.